Alright, let's go over how to draw Santa really fast, okay? It's going to be incredibly easy, so let's get started. Right off the bat, we're going to go right here and draw a line upward, curve across the forehead, down. It's gonna be basically the brim of that hat. Pull back over here, like these hooks hanging off the corner here. Pulling upward, curve. All right, gonna go over here in this section, line up for the eye, across, line over here. We got one eye. Line up over here. If you don't know the basics of the eye, definitely check out Skillshare or just sign up here, by the way. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I teach everything. Okay? But if you want to learn the basics of drawing, like the shape of the eye and anything like that, go to my Skillshare. The link's in the description. Goes over everything. And I'm going to start putting them on my website. Up, down. Up, down. Over here. Line, 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 line. Over here. Line, 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 line. For the eyebrows right there. Circle. Circle for those eyes. It's kind of making like this, you know, very, very like sweet face. Dot, dot for the iris. Curve over here. Curve down. Line over here for the wing of the nostril. Curve right there. Line, line for kind of a little bit bags into the eyes. Probably tired. I'm gonna go over here for draw the mustache in this area. So I'm gonna go here, curve up, down. Go over here on this side, curve like that. Get that Mario style mustache. Mouth below that. Curve the cheek. Go on this side. Line over here. Zigzag over here. Line over here on this side. Curve, curve. Now we're going to go to the brim of the hat, okay, from the top. Up, cross, down. Fold right here as it folds down on itself. Downward. Circle. Line, line, line. Last touch right here, so we're pretty much almost done. Very short lesson. Draw a thicker line around it, almost like it's like a, I don't know, like a cookie or something. I don't know, it gives it like a sticker look to it, and that's kind of, you know, cool in its own way right there. And right here. And there you go. That is Santa. Quick and easy. Let me know if you enjoyed that. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to say hi to me in the comment section. Merry Christmas. See you soon. All right, everybody. Later.